Yes, hello guys. My name is Manny here, and just a few days ago I got my new camera. That's a Panasonic DMC FZ70 with a massive 60 times zoom or 1200 millimeter equivalent. So tonight I can show you that massive 60 times zoom zooming into the moon. So right now, as you can see here, is at widest zoom, that's 20 millimeter. So we'll point it to the moon now. Okay, so there goes the moon. Alright, there it goes, 25, 61, 120. Alright, it's maximum. Go back, that's 17, 8, 4, back to 1 or 20 millimeter. There you go.